We're back in the shop for motor building. Here's the L28 after it's been pressure washed and repainted. There's the black and the aluminum and the green valve cover they have going. McLean's kit came in today. We've got ARP, end cap, scissors, and all sorts of other stuff. So this thing's gonna be put back today. But before that happens, McLean's got to start a campfire. He has an Eagle Scout and I don't, so he's on fire duty. What are you doing?
We got the freshly painted parts. Ooh, they didn't stick to that. Trust. Black.
Spray paint, spray paint.
Spray paint came in clutch. It's a little dusty.
Is that thermostat housing?
Yep.
Nice.
Rebuild in a can.
There's
Rebuild,
the thermostat
engine,
cover.
Engine rebuild in the can.
Freak, yeah.
That's probably the thing I'm proudest of. Yep.
It was red before, it is now black.
No, this is a different one.
It was black before and it's now black.
Clear.
It was clear and now it is black. And it sounds like we're reusing pistons and rods, just redoing the ring gaps. And all right, we're ball honing for maximum performance.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right.
Woo!
Alright, now we clean them all off and see how well we did.
Or how bad?
One more time, Jaden. Ooh.
That's pretty good.
Cross hatching, bro.
That's pretty good cross hatching.
Is it there?
Yeah. There's a lot of it too.
Yeah, that's a good amount.
Woo!
That looks like brand new. Ooh, booyah, grandmama.
Good. Scratch strip pretty good. Sweet.
Nice.
So we have rings and bearings, correct?
Yeah, rings and
And
bearings.
valve head, whatever seals.
Valve seals.
Valve seals.
Yes.
Basically, it's a preventative maintenance.
And a
rebuild.
timing kit.
Yeah, and a timing kit and oil
Oil
pump.
pump.
All right, so she ain't gonna be blown up on us. Or no chain slap.
That's an inline.
All right, we're back in. We got the bottom bearings put in. We're just cleaning the crank off right now and grabbing the plastic gauge for gapping purposes. I don't know what the correct gappage for a L28 is, but we'll find out.
Yeah, I'll look that up real quick.
All right, we just put the plastic gauge on the crank and bolted all the mains down. We're at 0.2 clearance, I think.
Yeah, 0.2.
0.2. So now we're gonna put pee all over that and then slap the crank in.
Pee all over it?
We're gonna pee all over it.
Oh, we're gonna use this stuff.
Who are
here.
you?
I'm
This is the
Bear
AKA
Grylls.
pee.
Who are you?
Alright, I'm McLean. Alright. Perma-slick.
Ultra slick booty cheek.
Okay, so get going, babe. Get going, slave.
Pee on
You
it?
said you wanted to work on it.
Dude, I got the.
I helped your ass.
No, I know.
I got the filming.
You said you wanted to cover it in
Pee?
jube.
I want to cover it in all the pee.
Do you have to put it in between?
You just literally slap it all over it.
No, I mean, do you have to put
Okay,
it in
get your
between?
your
No.
finger in there and spread that all over that bearing.
Get that McLean.
Holy stringy.
Okay, pull it over.
It doesn't matter. It's having lube.
Ooh.
I said be generous with it, so we're being generous with it.
All over.
Anybody who's ever built an engine, you can never have enough lube. What they all say.
Okay, Jay. Thank you for your...
Okay, it doesn't matter if there's strings, Jaden. It's literally just like lubey. Lubey gooby.
Shooby dooby doo. All my Jimmy Neutron fans out there.
Please. Die. Die. Jane is the epitome of Q Neutron.
Shooby dooby doo.
Dang, but Jimmy's mom,
Bro,
bro.
it's literally like grease.
Jimmy's mom. No, it's like freaking slime, bro. Literally, shiz like sticks to your finger and it doesn't let go. It's like venom.
Yeah, look at that shit.
Shooby dooby.
String going. Shooby dooby doo.
Wow, you put a lot down there, Jimmy. No, in that cylinder.
Never have enough.
We're gonna. Holy freak, this thing's heavy. Alright, slap it in
It's
there.
a speed cam, actually. A speed crank. Cam 12. Genta. Ah! Oh, freak, that's heavy. Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
Now we got a lube.
How come we don't just spin it in the loop, bro?
Why the F did you make that noise?
That's the premier engine building noise.
What's going
You literally just got all over your face.
We're draping it, bro.
Bro, it don't matter. Just get it all over the place.
Literally. It's gonna get washed out by oil anyway.
This blows my motor.
Too much lube. Blew the L28.
Hope it holds more boost now.
Okay, now we gotta do this again.
Now get on the
Pee it.
bearings. Just grab the... Jane, bring that here.
Japanese. Here, put a little on my finger. Okay, there's plastic gauge right there, man.
It's fine. It helps it run smoother.
I don't know. I don't know.
You guys give me a whole rundown on how it's gonna blow the motor, and then you just leave it in there.
It's on the edge of it. Plane's being a little cracky about it.
That's a pain in the egg. Get the
I know.
melate.
Holy crap.
All right, or you use your palm. That's good.
My hand is the.
This is like strawberry cheesecake. Drizzle. Alright, welcome back. We got done putting rings and whatnot on the bottom end. Well, I helped with like 2 of the pistons, and then I dipped and went and got pizza. Brock's trying to get all the paint off the pan. He spray painted it with not high temp paint, and McLean's trying to get this like blue overspray off of his head. What's the plan of attack for tonight?
So we're planning on getting the oil pan on with the gasket, get it all sealed up.
Are you gonna paint it tonight?
What? Yeah.
All right, welcome back. We've just put in the head studs in, gasket. It's going on. They did valve seals. I didn't film that because it's kind of boring.
Because you were gone for 90%.
It's boring. So now they're just tightening down the ARPs. We're reusing them because West Mountain Motorsports and McLean.
Why do you have to say that we're reusing them?
These are brand new.
They're brand new. We got them from eBay's. The ebooks.
Brand new used off eBay.
New bearings in the bottom end, new piston rings, OEM pistons, OEM rods, reused ARP head studs what we put together last time we built the block.
No, these are new.
I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
Okay. And then the heads just got new valve seals on it. And then we're trying to figure out how to time it because we're kind of dumb, don't know how to do that. We'll update you when the head's on.
Just you.
All right, we're going to end the video here. Like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video when this thing's put together completely and running in the car. Bye.
Straighter than an arrow.
All right, we got the Datsun timed up. Had to watch a bunch of videos on how to get the cam times right with the gear and
Why do you have to
whatnot.
expose us like that, bro?
Because we didn't know what the F we're
We know what
doing.
we're doing. James flying.
We spun it over and it sounds like it's good, so it's good.
Feels good too.
Feels really good too, yeah. Valve covers on, head's torqued down, cam's torqued down, front main seals in. All right, here's another update. Timed, everything's basically on, front,
Okay. You're a terrible YouTuber.
This is why.
You're a terrible narrator.
This is why.
What's the next thing that's going on?
Exhaust. We're gonna take Brock's manifold and intake and put it on my car real quick. See how it looks. Like that?
Well, before we do it, let's show everyone the juiciest, fattest turb ski L24 you've ever seen. Look how clean this is. That's like a $3,000 manifold. Well, it's like $1,800.
And then you take these
Then you
boys
find
out.
this $60 turbo off Amazon.
Hey, man. You're that low.
Oh boy. 60's a little low. Maybe like 80.
Okay. The Max Speeding rods, you guys. It's sponsored. No, I'm just kidding.
Is it actually?
It is Max Speeding rods.
Well, that's what I'm putting on my Honda.
Well, good.
Well, okay.
We got a guy up in northern Utah who has a 5-speed. He owes us because we went and did a clutch job for his car. So it'll be like $200 and we'll have a 5-speed from a 280ZX. Just stick in the 240.
And then the engine bay needs to get cleaned and whatnot on the 240, and then this thing's gonna be thrown in there. This is like the quickest winter project build.
Yeah, we built it and
Like it's been
the longest time was just waiting for parts to come. It took 3 days to get tore down, cleaned, and put back together.
Yeah. Bolt by bolt, she's going back together. I think the hardest part was the stupid timing.
Yeah, timing takes
Timing the cam to top
6
it.
years.
Let's look at these welds on the inside.
We're doing the forbidden.
What kind of manifold is this?
Max speed and Rob.
Tuner Z.
Pro Tuner Z, actually. They make custom manifolds.
And it's like $1,800?
Yeah.
All TIG welded and...
Clean.
Alright. Let's see if she'll hold.
See if it bolts up, because mine doesn't bolt up. That's how you know it's good.
What do you mean yours doesn't bolt up?
My intake's not going to fit on my car. So we're just going to slap this one in.
Jeez!
I don't want to touch with my nasty hands, bro.
Just pulls the threads out.
Slams
Destroys
on
the
the ground.
turbo.
Turbo turns into like a
Dust.
shaped. Cracked.
It's not even half before that happens, I think.
Just put the studs on the outsides, like over here. Or the nuts.
That one doesn't have one.
Oh yeah, I forgot you stripped its out. What are you doing about the intake manifold? Does it just bolt through?
Yeah. Oh, this is the reason why Brock wants my intake. My head, because it's a N42.
Oh.
First time I'm actually taking it out of the plastic.
Just for my Oh my god. My
That face.
That should be the thumbnail, bro.
Go grab one of these bolts.
Oh my good lord. Oh.
Get a your A and your old bolts can kill me. Longest you can like find.
Probably that one.
Holy freak. That is a big effing throttle body. How big did you say that was?
That's the oh, it's a thicker bolt than that. So the size up from that here.
That's a big A bolt, bro.
Shorter.
Oh, sure.
Whoa.
Oh my.
Jeez.
Just shifted a little bit.
That scared the shit out
Way
of
too
me.
short. Sorry.
Holy crap, dude. That's freaking expensive
That's
shit.
the longer one. What the fuck?
Jeez. She probably won't even run with that much air going through her.
My car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I think it goes this way. I believe.
It's so simple. Can you lift up on the front end a little bit? What a freak. Holy shots. Wow. You're gonna have fun clocking that turbo.
Yeah, literally. You have to shoot like up and down and sound around.
You can probably do it all the way till it's down.
Fuck.
Wow.
What's this package? Open it up. This is black.
The intake's only like 1,000.
This is a $3,000 combo right here.
Wow.
Yeah, but look at that shit.
Oh, it's so hard to turn. 72?
I think.
70 something millimeter throttle body.
75.
Does it say on it?
It says right on it, says 75.
Holy freak. Alright, Pro Z, if you want to sponsor McLean.
Yeah, you want to sponsor my boy. Hook me up with the Mega Squirt too. I appreciate it. Your boy's broke.
And the coil pack conversion
That
kit.
looks clean, bro. I'm jelly.
Clean, you can get one.
No, I'm not.
Why not?
I like carbs. See, that's my intake over there. Okay.
All right, now we're actually done for the night.
No, we're not.
What now? Oh, my bad.
Clean or good?
All right, have a good night, everybody.
All right.
Or good morning or good evening
Okay.
or good afternoon. Bye-bye.
I think they get the point.